Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are on Honolulu, my tropical city island on my Switch OLED. I have not made a YouTube video for this island yet, so I'm very excited to finally be making a YouTube video for this island. I've decorated most of this island on my streams, including my entrance and all that, so if you want to go ahead and follow me on Twitch, you totally should. You will see more of me building live and just more builds in general. So today we are going to be making a Joe's Crab Shack. As soon as I was creating my tropical island, I saw this and I was like, I have to include this on my tropical island. But this is inspired by April ACNH over on Instagram. I will put her Instagram on the screen right now. And the building and everything is going to be inspired by her. Of course, we're going to try to spice it up our own way. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All the codes and everything are going to be down below, all my socials and everything. So let's get into the video. Before I do this build, I want to show you guys around. So this is the entrance. Let me just go back. This is the entrance. I love it. It is my favorite entrance I've ever made. And then if you go this way, you got some shops. We got Adi's surf shop, and then we got this bike rental. There's still a lot of work. I need to put like the skyline above it. And then down here we have a gym that's still a work in progress. I don't know why, I just don't like it, so I have to like rearrange stuff. If you go up this way, we have Taney's Smoothie Shop. It's almost done. But yeah, that's how that's turning out. And then you go up this way and we have the Flamingo Hotel. It's pretty big. And then you go over here and I'll lead you into resident services. And then we got like a little area where you can overlook the resident services that still needs to be worked on. And then if you go back around this way, I don't know what this is. It's not going to be a boat dock. I just give me ideas for this area. It's really long and narrow and it's very hard to work with. So yeah, this island, it's done. Like, we've done a lot on it, but it needs we need to work on it a little bit more. And then you go up here and then we have a little cafe. So yeah, that's fun. Right here, we're going to be working on the Joe's Crab Shack, and we have like this little river canal, and I thought it would be cute to transition it into Joe's Crab Shack. So let's get started. Alright, and that's the end of the video, so I'm gonna give you guys a final walkthrough. So we have the Joe's Crab Shack at the end of this canal, and we just got the building itself, and then we got some of the chairs, and then I have a tin bucket on this table because if you ever been to Joe's Crab Shack, they bring you out like a little bucket, and then it has like crab legs and like all kinds of things that you can feast on. And then I got some salad because I don't know, I feel like every restaurant has some salad. And then we got the fish and fries, and then some other fish over here. We got a cooler and just some meat and all kinds of stuff. We got a crab back there too. And then we have the fishing deck where they catch their crabs and all their meat to cook. And then if you've ever been to Joe's Crab Shack, you would know that they have like a windy like wooden path leading up to the building, with like a kind of like border around it. So that's what I recreated, and if you follow the path, it will lead you to some outdoor seating on the beach. Alright, and that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and check out my socials linked down below. And thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.